Hey, good morning, Michael. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I see that you had been shopping online looking at this 2011 Hyundai. I wanted to shoot you a quick video. First of all, let you know it is still here and show you the vehicle inside and out. Let you know it is a really nice, clean, used vehicle. So it does have a power driver's seat with a power lumbar support. It's got the original mats in there. A nice touchscreen display there, Bluetooth. Looks like it also does have a backup camera as well. You got really nice alloy wheels here. So, as you can see, it's a pretty nice, clean vehicle. No major damages or anything like that. It is a 2011 with about 44,000 miles on it. Here, I'll show you the passenger side and the back too. So, looks like it also has a destination, so maps. It looks like it has navigation, XM radio, push button start, leather interior seats on the bolsters. So if you have any questions or want to stop in and take a look, please feel free to give me a call if you'd like to take it for a quick test drive. I'd love to schedule that with you. I also have other pre-owned vehicles here in my inventory too. I have lots of Toyotas. I have another Hyundai 2018 model. I got an 18 Camry. I've got SUVs and trucks as well. So like I said, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to help you out with your purchase. My number here is 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. Again, this is Sally over at Toyota Melbourne. Hope you enjoyed this quick video and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.